Hi there, I'm Tracy, and if you're watching this, chances are you came to our site in search of an affordable smile makeover. If that's true, you probably have some basic questions about Brighter Image Lab and how we can get you the new smile you really want. In the next 90 seconds, we'll explain everything you need to know about how our lab direct process works. The process starts when you submit your purchase agreement. Once accepted, we create your user account within our system and provide you with unique login access to our site. We assign your case to an account manager who will oversee your order at every step. We also reserve a spot for your job in our production queue so that our team is ready for your case when it arrives. And finally, we ship you one of our specially designed impression systems right to your home or office. Inside your impression system, you'll find everything you need to take impressions of your teeth. You'll also find comprehensive instructional videos on our website at brighterimagelab.com. Using the prepaid envelope included with your system, you'll mail your finished impressions back to our design lab, where we use 3D technology to create a digital model of your actual teeth. Combined with photos of your existing smile, our designers will have everything they need to create a press-on removable veneer that fits your teeth exactly and complements your face beautifully. With the digital design completed, technicians utilize the latest in 3D manufacturing to create your actual veneers from high-strength compressed resin, then polish them to a perfect shine, and finally, detail them by hand. Once complete, the veneers are shipped right back to your doorstep, ready for you to wear. It's that simple. Now that you understand the basic process, here are a few more things you might want to know. Typically, our process takes around 30 business days, but we do offer expedited processing through our Smile Express and Ultra Express add-on options. We always spend the same amount of time on every case, but these expedited options ensure your job is moved to the front of the line at each stage of production. You'll receive regular updates via email and text message at each major stage of the process. All shipments are sent with tracking, and you can check the status of your case at any time by logging on to our website. When you're ready, you can place your order online at brighterimagelab.com or over the phone with one of our smile specialists. Most of our clients pay using our secure e-check processing, but we also accept money orders and most major credit cards. That's all there is to it. Place your order online, receive your impression system in the mail, send the impressions back to us, and receive your amazing new smile a short time later. You don't have to let an embarrassing smile hold you back. You can have the smile you want, lab direct with no dentist, and for up to 70% less than anywhere else. With Press On Veneers from Brighter Image Lab.